In the perfumed forests of Sneeve, where every breeze carries 1,000 scents.
When the cosmic pollen blooms on Sneeve, even the tiniest Achoo becomes a living firework.
In the crystal depths of Sneeve, where sound becomes sight, Bol's roar moves with the precision of evolution. Where words fail, scents speak volumes. Watch Bola's roar engage in the most sophisticated. Once each cosmic year, when the great pollen storms bless Sneeve, the Achoo gather in gratitude.
In the quiet depths beneath Sneeve, Bol's roar cultivates more than plants.